Contributor Gunjan Banerji of the Wall Street Journal is with us. Gunjan, I want to talk about the last trading days of the year, but also into next year, given what you're seeing with what retail investors are doing with margin and with options compared to what they were doing, 9 months, a year ago, what's the impact?
Right, John, great to be here. It's been such an interesting year for retail, as we have discussed before. A lot of these investors have kept buying. I think one big trend to watch is that some of them have pared back on how much risk they're taking in the markets, kind of getting more cautious about what's going on out there. We saw margin debt levels hit the lowest levels since July 2020. So that just shows you people aren't willing to take those, big, bold bets on the market. They're not looking to turbocharge their investments to the extent they were in 2020 or 2021. And that just shows you how cautious people have gotten kind of going into the final week of the trading year.
So, Gunjan, how much of an impact did that retail activity, the kind of Robin Hood-driven, borrowing-driven risk have on the trajectory of stocks like Tesla that we now see in a downdraft? I mean, the fact that they're not, at least for now, taking on that kind of risk, is that going to have an impact on some of these stocks' ability to get back where they were before?
Look, that's one key thing to watch, especially because the types of trades that were favored by a lot of individual investors, they've been hit the hardest this year. Think Apple, Amazon, Tesla, ARK. Some of these are at their lowest levels since 2017, 2019. Amazon erasing all of its pandemic gains. That's a key thing to watch going into the last few trading sessions of the year and also next year. Additionally, do individual investors keep buying ETFs, keep buying the broader market, because that's been a key source of support for markets, even during a terrible year for the S&P 500 this year. So do they keep buying? Do they provide that support for the markets? Key to watch.
That is particularly interesting, given that there's so many people saying stock pickers market. That would mean not as much on the ETFs and mutual funds. Although with the indices down as much as they have been, Gunjan, now might be the time to go back to some of those. Gunjan Banerji, thanks for being with us.